Welcome to Creativity in a Kitchen!
Sunshine patties. Right now I'm just working out the filling.
Hello!
Let's see. Base, seasonings, blender. So we have garlic, scotch bonnet, spring onion and sweet pepper. But I have two different fillings, so I'm going to use that many for that. That much. That many. That much for that.
Holly, yeah? Come in the living room because I need to charge my thingy back off on my bed. I can hear you. I'm gonna build. I don't know how I just flew out of the trap.
Garlic powder. Chives.
What are you doing, Mommy?
I'm just trying to season all peppers. And then this.
McCoy, how do you build? I can't. It's not letting me.
I've never done this
I don't know how
in
to
a
either.
pot before, so it should be fine. It might make a mess.
I've done it one time.
It works too. It actually tastes quite good. That's actually some flavor. And so I'm going to put a little bit of heat to it and warm it up, and some water as well. So it's looking like this. Yeah, more like a pasty paste. It should be fine. There's olive oil in there to keep the moisture, and I've also added hot water. Put a little bit of heat to it. We're just going to test this out. So we have that, and then some shredded chicken over here. This was chicken I cooked yesterday, barbecue chicken. Let's make this chicken base juicy. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet, but I'm going to attempt to do that right now. So, for this one, I've got to use vegetable oil because the olive oil has a distinct flavor. So we use the vegetable oil. We're going to add some water in a minute. We're going to do this. Just get it in there. Sweet peppers. So people, when you haven't made something or you don't know how to make it properly, you know, don't let that frighten you. You just do your best anyway. So we have that in. I'm going to add some water. I'll add butter to that. And all I'm trying to do is make sure that it has the flavour that I want to taste. So that's using all the ingredients I would use to make stuff I would normally make. If I'm making a stir fry, these are the 3 ingredients that I use to start my stir fry, just like this. And I let the water, reduce all the way down to a, what would be left is a thick, gravy-ish, gravy-like, sticky-like, looking like. It's sweet and sour, but it's not. Okay, so there's seasonings on here. There's barbecue sauce on the chicken and jerk sauce on the chicken. Barbecue seasoning. This is just a chicken chicken seasoning. Every chicken seasoning on here. So you can see that there's not much water in there, and that's going to reduce down. All the flavors will come together like, yes, this is how you do it. Well, this is how I do it. So the chicken filling is going on with things. The flavor is turned all the way up. I am so proud of that. And this, the flavor for this is very nice as well. Flavorful for a vegetable mixture, right? So the next thing I'm going to move on to, while this is reducing down, no, I'm going to do afterwards. I don't want to have to pay this attention. I want it to just cool down. So once this is finished, I will then start on the and roll and fold and roll. There was more left, so this goes in the freezer. All of the chicken is finished. Tali actually had, and look, they had the rest.